Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Just a little video to show you what I'm doing today. I'm defrosting my upstairs freezer, ready for when I go to the butcher's tomorrow. So I've been running it down obviously over winter, and I thought now's the best time to actually defrost it before I start filling it up again. So I've got 2 cool boxes. I've filled them, put things in the freezer downstairs, and I'm trying to quickly defrost this. But those top shelves, I can't even get the drawers out because there's that much ice. So I'm trying. Bye.
It's a